This is the truth. Whether you want to accept it or not, it's totally up to you. But the truth is that you have to accept this truth that in in the term of speaking English, there is only one and only method which can help you to speak English or to speak any particular language that you are willing to learn, that you are willing to speak. And for this, you have been putting lots of efforts for a very long time, but just because of you don't have the courage to speak, you don't have the courage to kick off your journey of speaking, you always regret, you always put off the things, you always put off the opportunities which can bring changes in your life, which can help you to kick off the new life. But you have been scared. You have been so scared for a very long time that if I would speak, if I would open my mouth, then people will do nothing but only laugh. They will only laugh at me. If you are the one who has this kind of mindset, then you are just a liar. You are just an out and out liar. This is not the truth. Yes, this is the world. This is not the truth. This is only your thinking. This is just just and only your perception that you have stored in your mind, and you don't want to come out of this. If you really want to come out of this, then you will have to start facing your fear. You will have to start speaking, and after facing your fear once or twice, then everything will become easy for you. You know, friends, this is the journal truth. We have been putting lots of efforts for learning English language. We have been learning vocabularies. We have been putting lots of efforts for cramming all the grammar rules. We have been reading lots of books. We have been doing listening practice like throughout the day. We just keep doing only listening practice. Okay, while doing household chores, while cooking, while doing the laundry, we just listen, listen, listen. Only listening practice, it's not enough for you. If you really want to speak out loud, then you will have to open your mouth. Until you open your mouth, how can you consider that you are going to speak or you are going to be a fluent English speaker? As a matter of fact, we have come here for speaking. Okay, we are here on this platform for learning English language from others, and whatever we get from others, we have to inculcate, we have to incorporate each and everything, and we have to foster our speaking skills just by appreciating ourselves. If taking big steps it's not your cup of tea, then why don't you try to start taking baby steps? Yes, baby steps can make you fluent in English, there's no doubt. But for this itself, you will have to speak because speaking comes from speaking, there's no doubt. Suppose you have to cook delicious food and you have been following some channels, you have been following some pages on Instagram, you have lots of books, you have been reading for a very long time, but you are not willing to make your first dish, then just tell me how will you how will you assess your cooking, your expertise in cooking, how much good you are at cooking? Until you give it a first shot, until you kick off your journey, it's not going to happen. So it means you will have to start speaking. You will have to put yourself in that particular situation where you it will become do and die type of situation for you to do anything, and then everything will become easy for you. Yes, friends, just by stopping yourself or having only negative thoughts about yourself that I'm not good enough, I don't have good vocabularies, I am so bad, like my grammar knowledge is not up to the mark, I make lots of mistakes, I don't have anyone to speak with, I am not knowledgeable enough. These are just these are the things mostly done by only a procrastinator. or who doesn't have the guts. So you just tell me, do you have the guts to face your fear or not? If you have, then why don't you start? If you don't have, then start believing in yourself. You have to motivate yourself. Give yourself a small target. Just take your first step as a baby step, and then this journey will become easy for you. Suppose you want to face your fear. You are not able to introduce yourself even. Then stand in front of mirror and try to introduce yourself proudly without having that inferiority complex within yourself. You just need to show your confidence on your face. You just need to show your strength or potential that you're holding within yourself. But just because of someone has said that you are not good enough and you believe others, but you know yourself very well. Instead of believing others, try to believe yourself. You are the one who is able enough, who is has lots of potential, and I'm pretty sure you would do that. The moment you will start believing in yourself, the moment you will start speaking or opening your mouth before others, your fear will be disappeared within no time, and you will become a fluent English speaker. I know that it would take time. For sure, it will take time to speak English fluently, but until you take your first step, how will you complete your journey? Always remember this single line. 1,000-mile journey starts from the first step. If you want to go to Mumbai, then you will have to take your first step. You will have to come out of your comfort zone. Okay, you will have to hire a taxi, hire an auto, then you will have to go through plane or go through by train as per your convenience. But just by sitting at your home, you won't be able to go anywhere. You want to eat food. Your food is in front of you, but you're just waiting. Someone will come and it will start feeding me. He will start feeding me. It's not going to happen. You will have to use your hand. You will have to use your hand for eating that food. Then only that food will go in your stomach, and then only you will be feel stuffed. So in this way, if you really want to do what you have been looking forward for a very long time, then just start your journey, and don't do self sabotaging is not good at all. I know that in order to grapple with all those things, it's not it's not so easy, but we can do it. We have enough courage, we have enough potential to do, because we are so much dedicated, we are so much determined to live our dreams, to achieve our goals, to accomplish we are looking what we are looking for a very long time. And I know that you have enough strength to do that. And if you are the one um, you have been stopping yourself, you have been sabotaging yourself from taking your first baby step, then don't do it. You will regret later. This is the high time to start something doing better in your life. You know, friends, until you take your first step, you are not going to get anything in your life. No matter whether you want to be a good dancer, good singer, good athlete, everything, you will become expert in everything just by practicing again and again. But in each and every cases, your first step matters. So don't worry about anything. Take your first step, and don't have that inferiority complex in yourself. You are superior than others. Always have this mantra in your mind and this mantra in your life, as I always have. I'm the best, no matter whether I can use advanced English or not, whether I can speak good English or not, but I am content with myself and with my English. So now it's up to you. You have to just tell me, you are content with yourself or not. Or do you have the courage to speak out loud or not? We will meet in our next video. Till then, keep watching, keep practicing, and keep speaking. Bye bye.